In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link tasks in ClickUp. Linking tasks is a simple but very useful feature in ClickUp, especially when you want to connect related work, keep projects organized, and make it easier for your team to understand how different tasks are associated. If you're working across multiple lists, folders, or projects, this can help create clear relationships without duplicating information. To get started, open the task you want to link. This is the task where you want the relationship to be added, so make sure you're inside the correct task before moving on. Once the task is open, look to the upper right corner of the task window and click the three-dot menu. This menu gives you access to additional task options that aren't shown in the main view. After opening that menu, move your cursor over Relationships. This will expand the relationship options available for the task. From there, click Relate a Task or Doc. This option allows you to connect the current task to another task or to a document, depending on what you need. In this example, we're focusing on linking another task. Next, find the task you want to connect. You can do this by searching for the task by name, which is usually the fastest method if you already know what you're looking for. You may also be able to choose from recent tasks, which can save time if the task was recently opened or worked on. Take a moment here to confirm that you're selecting the correct task, especially if you have several tasks with similar names. Once you see the task you want, click on it to create the link. ClickUp will immediately add that relationship and the tasks will now be connected. This is helpful for tracking dependencies in a broader sense, referencing related work, or simply making navigation between connected tasks easier. To confirm everything worked, look under the Related section in the task. That's where the linked task will appear. If you see it there, the task has been successfully linked. You can return to this section anytime to review connected items and keep your workflow organized. That's all there is to it. Linking tasks in ClickUp only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in how clearly your work is structured and managed. Thanks for watching.